Welcome back to Beautyistic. Today, we're diving into the world of professional salon equipment, and specifically, we're taking a closer look at the black salon chair designed for hairstylists. Whether you're running a busy salon or setting up a home studio, this chair is crafted to blend style and functionality. But does it live up to its promises? Let's find out. This black salon chair is sleek with modern styling touches. It features quilted details and crystal buttons, making it a statement piece for any salon setting. Its fully padded armrests provide extra comfort for clients, ensuring they feel relaxed during longer appointments. The chair's overall design emphasizes comfort and convenience, but it also has a sturdy build that stands up to daily use. In terms of features, this chair offers adjustable height ranging from 20 to 26 inches. It also boasts a 360-degree rotation, making it versatile for hairstylists and barbers who need to adjust the angle and height to work efficiently. The smooth PU leather finish adds to the professional look while also ensuring easy cleaning. Plus, the floating backrest design prevents hair buildup, which helps with airflow and improves comfort for your clients. Now, let's get into real-world use. As a stylist, you'll appreciate how easy it is to adjust the height and rotate the chair smoothly. Whether you're cutting hair or styling, the chair provides the flexibility you need without interrupting the flow of your work. The padding is comfortable for both you and your clients, and the extra wide footrest adds to the overall comfort, especially for those longer sessions. However, while the chair looks fantastic and feels sturdy, it can be a bit bulky for some salon spaces, depending on your layout. As for the pros, the stylish design is definitely a standout. The comfort features, like the wide, padded seat and the fully padded armrests, make it a great choice for ensuring your clients stay comfortable. The easy-to-clean surface is another plus, particularly when you're dealing with product buildup from hair treatments. On the flip side, one potential downside is that the chair might take up a bit more space than expected, which could be an issue if your salon is tight on room. Also, while the assembly process is simple, it's always good to have a helping hand to ensure everything is aligned correctly. When considering value for money, this chair definitely sits on the higher end in terms of both style and functionality. The materials are durable, and the design offers enough comfort for both you and your clients. If you're running a busy salon, investing in a chair like this could be well worth it, especially when you factor in the adjustable features and easy maintenance. Comparing this chair to other salon chairs on the market, it stands out for its modern aesthetic and comfort features. Some other options may be more budget-friendly, but they might lack the quality of materials or the level of comfort offered by this one. If you're looking for something more affordable, you could consider simpler chairs that provide basic functionality without the extra style, but they likely won't match the aesthetic appeal or the padding comfort of this option. The build quality here is solid. The PU leather feels high quality and durable, and the stitching is reinforced to ensure longevity. The hydraulic pump mechanism works smoothly, and the chair moves without issue. Overall, it's a reliable piece of salon equipment built to withstand the demands of regular use. Now, if you're looking for a more budget-friendly alternative, there are other salon chairs that offer adjustable heights and durable builds at a lower price. However, you may have to compromise on aesthetics or comfort, so it really depends on your priorities. In conclusion, the black salon chair is a well-designed and functional piece of equipment that provides comfort, ease of use, and style for both hairstylists and clients. While it may be a bit bulky for some, its quality and comfort make it a solid investment for anyone looking to elevate their salon setup. If this review helped, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so that other salon owners and stylists can find this review too. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check the comments for a link to the product. Got any thoughts or questions about the chair? Drop them below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep styling with style, only here at Beautyistic.